Hello guys, this is Karan here, and today I will talk about differences among human right, fundamental right, constitutional right and legal right. So the first question is, what is human right? Human rights are nothing but the rights that we get by virtue of being a human being, and the source of human right is United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948, which is nothing but a document of 30 articles in which all the human rights have been mentioned. For example, Article 7, equality before law; Article 22, right to social security; Article 26, right to education. And if any human right gets violated, then UN can directly intervene into it. Now, what is fundamental right? The rights which have been mentioned in our constitution in part 3rd from article 12 to 35 is known as fundamental right. But in actual sense, fundamental rights are a subset of human right, because in 1973 in Keswanan Bharti case, Supreme Court held that fundamental rights are natural rights or human rights. Some of the examples of fundamental rights are Article 14, equality before law; Article 19, right to freedom; Article 21, right to life and personal liberty. And if any fundamental right gets violated, then we can directly approach to Supreme Court or High Court through Article 32 and 226. And these fundamental rights are not absolute in nature, that is, there are some restrictions which have been imposed over it, but no any law or parliament can take these fundamental rights through any means. Now we will talk about constitutional rights. So all the rights apart from part 3rd, that is fundamental rights, that has been mentioned in our constitution are constitutional rights. So here the source of fundamental right is our constitution. So all the fundamental rights are constitutional rights, but all the constitutional rights are not fundamental rights. For example, right to universal adult suffrage is a constitutional right. Right to property, Article 300A, is a constitutional rights. Now we will talk about legal right. Legal right are those rights that we get through any act or through any law. For example, right to vote, which is a legal right, not a constitutional right. Right to maternity benefit is a legal right. And at last, every legal right has a constitutional backup. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.